Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm excited to share an unboxing and testing of the Orico USB 4-port hub. First, let me show you my old USB 2.0 hub. The main issue with it was that it kept losing connection, which is why I decided to get a new one. I've got 3 hard drives. One is 1 terabyte with 3 partitions. Another is 320 gigabytes with 2 partitions. And the last one is 500 gigabytes with no partitions at all. Now let's see if this new hub works properly. Great, all the hard drives are detected. Let's check it out in disk management. Next, I'm going to copy a folder from my C drive and paste it onto my H drive. The folder's about 8 gigabytes, and it says it'll take around 4 minutes to transfer. It's done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.